This is going to blow your mind. What if you could eliminate paperwork and boost your business efficiency overnight? Imagine transforming the way you do business. No more faxing and mailing paper documents, just smooth, error-free transactions. Electronic Data Interchange, or EDI, is the game changer. Think orders, invoices, and delivery slips flowing effortlessly between computer systems. No manual work, no paper, no problem. Hundreds of thousands of businesses worldwide trust EDI to enhance efficiency, cut costs, and skyrocket accuracy. And with Infocon Systems, you get all this with a user-friendly, cloud-based platform. Our simplified solutions mean fast implementation and round-the-clock expert support. We integrate seamlessly with ERP systems like QuickBooks, Salesforce, and NetSuite, saving you time and money. Infocon Systems isn't just another EDI provider. We're your partners in success. Experience the best ROI and see your business thrive. Ready to revolutionize your business? Visit Infocon Systems today and let's make EDI easy for you. Call us now and let's get started.